Pediatric Chiropractic Care is a type of chiropractic care that very simply just focuses on making sure that the spines and nerve systems of kids right from birth up until being in a teenager or adulthood is taken care of. There's never an age where having misaligned or stuck vertebrae is not going to impact the nerve system and ultimately our health in negative ways. And so this is something that should be done right from birth. We notice huge changes when we're checking the kids in our office for things like colic, ear infections, focus, concentration, a lot of that sort of stuff. Responds very favorably to chiropractic care. Even little kids, although they may not be under the same stress as an adult, they still have little spines, they still have little vertebrae, and their nerve systems are still controlling all the healing and functioning inside of their body. There's never an age where having a stuck or misaligned vertebrae is going to benefit someone, and so there's no age where they shouldn't be checked for subluxations. All chiropractors are trained as a part of their schooling to deal with the pediatric population and their little spines and the unique challenges for kids. There's also some extracurricular training after graduation that people can do to become even more specialized in pediatric chiropractic care. So a lot of people ask when their child should see a pediatric chiropractor, and I would say this depends on your goals. If your kids are dealing with health issues, of course they should be checked to see if the problem is coming from the nervous system. I'm of the belief that kids should be checked right away to make sure that their spines are functioning normally so they don't even go down that road where they start to develop issues that could have been prevented if they were checked right away. The best way to find a pediatric chiropractor is a quick Google search. Usually offices that specialize in that will have that listed on their website, and that should come up with a Google search. At Discover Chiropractic in Chaska, Minnesota, we've been dealing with the pediatric population for 15 years. A big family practice that we have. We have 4 kids ourselves, and so we're no stranger to these little spines, and it's one of the biggest joys, I think, is seeing whole families and especially taking care of those little kids.